In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboard under $100 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AULA F75 Mechanical Keyboard. The AULA F75 Bluetooth wireless keyboard is a highly customizable mechanical keyboard designed with versatility in mind. Featuring a compact 75% layout, it offers a minimalist yet efficient typing experience, ideal for both gamers and professionals. Key features include hot swappable switches for easy customization, PBT plastic keycaps for durability, and a gasket structure with noise reduction technology for quiet operation. It supports multiple connectivity options including Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and Type-C wired, making it compatible with a wide range of devices from laptops to smartphones. The keyboard also boasts RGB backlighting with customizable modes and macro-programmable software, enhancing its appeal for both aesthetic and functional purposes. Number 2. AULA Win60 Keyboard. The AULA Win60 Win68 is a wired mechanical keyboard designed specifically for gaming enthusiasts, featuring a compact 61-key layout and ABS plastic keycaps. It supports hot swappable switches and monochrome backlighting. Originating from mainland China, this keyboard connects via USB and is tailored for both desktop and laptop applications. It emphasizes competitive gaming performance with its 8K return rate and magnetic switches, offering options like Grey Wood, Semantic, and Wing Chun, each optimized for rapid and precise keystrokes. The keyboard includes wrist support and is noted for its lightweight, portable design, making it convenient for gamers on the move. For customization and driver support, users can access AULA's dedicated web drivers, enhancing the keyboard's functionality and performance capabilities. Number 3. Attack Shark X85 Pro. The Attack Shark X85 Pro keyboard is a high-concerned chemical-free mechanical keyboard featuring ABS plastic keycaps and hot swappable switches. It supports USB interface type and Bluetooth wireless connectivity, suitable for desktops, laptops, and tablets. Originating from mainland China and certified with CE and RoHS, this 82-key keyboard offers standard English layout. Notably, it boasts a TFT color screen for displaying various settings, an aluminum alloy knob for precise adjustments, and RGB colorful backlighting with customizable effects. Its self-developed Blueberry switches promise a tactile and immersive gaming experience, complemented by a 4000 mAh battery providing up to 75 hours of usage. The keyboard also features cloud macro definition and competitive gaming enhancements, making it ideal for gaming enthusiasts seeking performance and customization. Number 4. AULA F87 Pro. The AULA F87 Pro is a feature-rich mechanical keyboard designed for versatility and performance. It boasts an 87-key, 80% TKL layout ideal for desktops, laptops, and tablets. Offering multiple connectivity options via wired USB, 2.4G USB, and Bluetooth 5.0, it adapts effortlessly to various devices. Key features include RGB backlighting with customizable effects, a gasket structure for enhanced typing comfort, and a hot swappable PCB compatible with 3-pin and 5-pin switches. Built with premium materials like PBT plastic and featuring Leobog Greywood V3 switches, it ensures durability and tactile satisfaction, making it suitable for both casual and intensive use. Number 5. Irok Nd63 Pro. The Irok Bluetooth wireless mechanical keyboard is a high-quality, 82-key device designed for versatility across desktops, laptops, tablets, and more. Originating from mainland China, it features magnetic switches and supports all keys hot swapping, catering to custom preferences. The keyboard offers RGB backlighting for enhanced aesthetics and operates seamlessly with both Windows and macOS systems. Its interface is USB-based, ensuring standard connectivity, while its design reflects a standard style suitable for various applications. With a weight of 1 kilogram, The Irok keyboard combines functionality with modern design elements, making it a compelling choice for users seeking a customizable and efficient typing experience.